So we're in Milford Sound kayaking, and as you can see ahead of Janet is a big waterfall, about 150 meters high, and we're going to be going under it. The next time you hear us, you're going to be hearing water dropping all over us. Here we go! It's like the Maid of the Mist, but on steroids. Janet's actually paddling by herself right now. Janet, what'd you think of that?
Wet and cold.
It got pretty windy under there, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Well, you did a great job paddling all by yourself.
I wanted to get closer, couldn't. The wind kept pushing us away.
Yeah, it did.